Hello, everyone. If it's Tuesday, you know what that means. It is Taste Test Tuesday, and we're going to be testing something here. Now, there has come to my attention there is a keto doctor. She's female, well, in today's world. She appears to me to be a female, and I think she identifies as female. And she says if you're on a keto diet, you should never snack. You shouldn't take snack. You shouldn't have a snack because you should be getting enough protein and fats from eating a keto style diet with your meals. So in other words, if you're going to eat 3 meals and they have a lot of, let's say, meat, let's say you get in the morning maybe, and you have 2 eggs and maybe a slice of ham like you get at the restaurants, and some coffee, that should be okay until lunch. And then at lunch, you might have something like some roast beef, no bread, and maybe some cheddar cheese pieces cut up. This is my own examples, but maybe get some cheddar cheese and slice up some, get some roast beef, slice up some cheddar cheese, roll them up, put some mustard on there, and maybe have a salad, and maybe at that point have some milk, maybe, I don't know. Some people sell a keto milk. I don't really know what that is. Keto milk. But she says never snack. You should never ever snack. And then for dinner, maybe have a piece of chicken with, you could have like a baked chicken, maybe some kind of a grilled chicken. Of course, if you're on keto, you're eating butter. They want you to have butter, not margarine. So you could put a couple slabs of butter, put some chicken in a pan, cook it that way, maybe add a little olive oil. They say to eat oils, fats. That way, if you're going to have any salad dressing, make it full fat ranch, or maybe make a balsamic vinegar. You can take the olive oil and put some balsamic vinegar and make it. You can make your own. I do that sometimes. I'll do that. I'll put some some black pepper, and I'll stir that all in there, and sometimes I squirt in a little lemon juice, and it tastes pretty yummy. Some people don't like the taste of vinegar. They say it's too strong, so you can add more oil to that. But she says never snack, never snack, never snack. So I went to her website to see, not her website, I went to her YouTube channel. I want to see what all the fuss was about. What is she talking about? What you talking about, doctor? So she says no snacking, but then I watched, I think, 2 of her videos or 3 of her videos, and one of them was how to make a keto friendly ice cream with frozen blueberries. So in one video she says never snack, and the other one she's telling you how to make snacks. So I don't know, maybe she means if you do keto properly, you shouldn't have to snack, to fill yourself up. The traditional diabetes diet, from what I know, it's 3 meals and 2 snacks, and it's like 60 grams of carbs per meal and like 15 to 20 grams per snack. That's a lot more because on the keto diets, they're like half one of those meals. So they're like 35 for the entire day of carbs. So that's a lot fewer, not less, fewer, because I guess we have to say fewer, not less, a number of carbs. I'm on the patio because I finally got outside. We've had a lot of storms, and my cat just came out, so we kind of watch the sky at the same time, make sure there's we get these, we get hawks, we get owls. Owls are, they're mean. We get owls, hawks, and we also get turkey buzzards. I didn't know what they were. I saw this huge wingspan, so I had to look it up to find what they were. I thought at first maybe they were California condors. I guess they probably eat a kitty too. She's pretty mean, but they are pretty fast. So if a bird comes down here, you see some feathers flying in the air, my foot found bird because I can't hurt my kitty. So I wouldn't really want to. I would shoo it away. I wouldn't really kick it with my shoe. Well, I don't know. It depends on what it does. But she's out here right now drinking water off of the leaves. Yes, she has water inside. Sophie, what are you doing? Come here, girl. Come here. I don't know if she wants to say hello. Come on. Yeah. Come here. Oh. Ed. She does not. She wants to lick the water off of the flowers. She's a good girl. But anyway, so what I was trying to say about that is I gotta watch her. There was some mangy coyotes, a lot of mange out here now. It is mating season, so the young boy coyotes are out looking for a girl, and the older men are saying, not this year, son. And they're having some and barking at each other and that kind of stuff, but they're really mangy. They got a bad case of mange. But anyway, the whole thing was don't ever snack. So I don't really know what, I'm gonna look more to that. What do you guys think? If you're on a keto style diet. I'm not on a keto diet. I am on a low carb diet. I did go on to one of the programs for keto, and it was 35 grams, and I was doing pretty good. But they kicked me out because they wanted me to just get my lab work whenever they told me to get my lab work done. Well, it doesn't work that way with the veterans. You can't say, come over here and give me some free lab work. You have to be scheduled for that. So I can't do it all the way to my next appointment. And then they say, oh, well, I'll talk to the doctor about. And then I guess I was a nuisance because I wouldn't go and pay out of pocket for that. I got it for free because I'm a veteran. The Veterans Administration paid for the thing, for the program, but I don't think they realized there were certain things I had to do on certain schedules. It wasn't with that. But anyway, since it is Tuesday, we're going to try this. Now, I did find out why they say that the ketos are 2 net grams of carbs per bar. I kept wondering, why is that? Because I always thought that, I was always told that your carbs are your total carbohydrates, which in this case would be 12, minus your fiber, which is 3. So that would bring us down to 9. But they say you also, you have to subtract some sugar alcohol, I guess. Or maybe they don't, maybe it's a plus, I don't know. So the way they figure it out is it's 12 grams of carbs minus 3 grams fiber minus 7 grams of sugar alcohol. You would think the sugar alcohol would be higher in carbs, but I guess it has something to do with taking down the carbs. I just don't know. But they say it's a 2 net carb. For me, I don't really care about the net, whatever. I go only with the total. So for me, this is a 12-gram snack, and we're gonna try it. So let's go ahead and see if the zip thing works on top. And no, they never do. And let's see what they look like. So are these really tiny bars? Is that why? You'll notice that with some keto foods, the quantity, that's pretty big. The quantities are so small, that might have something to do with why the grams of carbs is so low. So this is it. This company is called Keto Pint. Keto Pint, I guess. Maybe they make pints of ice cream too. I've never heard of them before. I just saw it in the store, so I thought I'd get it and try it out. But this is the zero added sugar, and this is a triple chocolate crunch. So it looks like there's some little chocolate sprinkles on there, and it's dipped in chocolate, and it is chocolate. Keto Foods is American farms. Keto Foods is helping to create a brighter future for coca farmers. I know that's a problem when it comes to the cacao and all that. So let's try this and see what it tastes like. We'll see what it looks like in the photo. I didn't bring my plant knife out here. Oh, okay, yeah, it's pretty small. Yeah, it's tiny. It's that big. A normal bar would be like that big. So yeah, they always kind of get you there. Does it look like the photo? This looks pretty good. I don't think it looks near as dark as that. So let's try it. I look. Chocolate ice cream dipped in a dark chocolate shell and sprinkled with chocolate chips. Chocolate crisp. So, is it good? Yeah, I think the whole thing because I'm outside. Minutes come out. If I had this, and someone said, here's a treat, try this, with no other knowledge, I would think this is a regular chocolate bar. Small. So it's 160 calories. Now it says right here, it's not a low calorie, it's not part of a low calorie diet. So some people at 160 calories would consider this almost a meal. So it does use cream. So if you have it says all this disclaimer. So it has, it does have milk and it has peanuts. It's processed in a place. They always put that has peanuts, tree nuts, and wheat. So some people have a wheat allergy, I guess gluten. But it says It's not a low-calorie food. Nice to see the information on, cholesterol and that, but it's good. I bet the chocolate falls off pretty quick, but it could be just because we were talking about it. The ice cream color, to me, almost looks like a vanilla. They show it a lot darker on the photo, as you can see. Everything here, usually when you get anything from keto stuff, whatever they show, it's always lighter in color than what's in the package, and you can barely see the little nibs or whatever they call them, little pieces of chocolate. But it's very good. It's a great taste. I like it. So, what's next? We talked about this. We ate some of this. Show the box. Oh, I know what's next. Subscribe. And don't forget, it's right down here. See it? Boop, boop, boop. Am I touching it? I can't see it on the screen because I'm pointing to the left and it shows to the right. Taste Test Tuesday is the second one of the Taste Test Tuesday series. Enjoy your Tuesday. Take care, everyone.